What's the most ridiculous reason you want a lawsuit? I deliver food for DoorDash in Phoenix. Been doing it for about 2 years to pay for college. Last month, I got this massive order from a guy named Marcus. $180 worth of premium sushi from Sakura downtown. One of those places where a single roll costs like $25. The GPS takes me to this insane mansion in Scottsdale with a circular driveway and fountain. I'm talking serious money here. Probably worth more than I'll make in 10 years. I grab the 3 bags of food and ring the doorbell. This dude answers wearing a silk robe in the middle of the afternoon, clearly wasted. I could smell the alcohol from 5 feet away and his eyes were all bloodshot. He looks at the bags and immediately goes, "This isn't what I ordered." I pull out my phone and show him the receipt. Everything matches perfectly. Dragon rolls, salmon sashimi, miso soup, even the specific wasabi he requested. But he starts getting louder, saying I'm trying to scam him and demanding I bring him the real order. I'm staying calm like, "Sir, this is exactly what you ordered through the app." But he's getting more aggressive. Then he threatens to call the police and have me arrested for theft. I try explaining one more time, but he slams the door right in my face. Whatever. I've dealt with drunk customers before. I mark the order as customer unavailable in the app and drive off with the food. Standard protocol when someone refuses delivery. 2 hours later, my phone rings. It's DoorDash support saying Marcus filed a complaint claiming I stole his order and was aggressive and threatening toward him. They suspended my account immediately pending a full investigation. I was absolutely furious, but had zero proof it was complete BS. Then I remembered something. My girlfriend Emma had been FaceTiming me right when I pulled up to show me her new haircut. She kept the call going while I made the delivery. I called her frantically asking if she recorded any of it. Turns out she accidentally hit record when trying to screenshot her hair. The video was absolutely perfect. You could hear everything crystal clear. Marcus slurring his words, him looking at the receipt and admitting the order was correct, then suddenly flipping his story and getting hostile for no reason. You could even see him stumbling around drunk in the background. I immediately sent the footage to DoorDash thinking that would completely end it. They reactivated my account but said they couldn't do anything else about false complaints. I figured it was over. Nope. 3 days later, someone knocks on my apartment door. I get served with actual legal papers. This absolute maniac was suing me for $15,000 claiming I harassed and intimidated him at his private residence. His lawyer probably thought it was easy money against some broke college kid doing delivery driving. Who's gonna fight back, right? But my Uncle Tony's a paralegal, and he was absolutely livid when I showed him the lawsuit. He helped me file a countersuit for defamation, filing false police reports, and trying to damage my employment. We demanded $10,000 plus legal fees. Court day finally arrives and I'm nervous as hell. Marcus shows up in this perfect $3,000 suit looking all respectable and professional. His expensive lawyer starts painting me as this dangerous criminal who terrorizes innocent customers at their homes. They're going on about how delivery drivers need to be held accountable and how Marcus feared for his safety. I'm sitting there thinking this is insane, but the judge seems to be listening. Then my uncle stands up and says, "Your Honor, I'd like to present video evidence." He plays Emma's recording on the courtroom speakers. You hear Marcus clearly drunk off his ass, admitting multiple times that the order was exactly right, then completely fabricating this story about me being threatening. The judge's expression changed immediately. Marcus went pale. His lawyer looked like he wanted to disappear into the floor. You could literally hear Marcus slurring and stumbling in the audio. The judge wasn't having any of it. He dismissed Marcus's case instantly and awarded me $8,000 in damages for the false lawsuit and defamation. Then he said he was referring Marcus to the prosecutor for filing false police reports. Best part? DoorDash corporate saw the news story about the case, gave me a $500 credit, and made me a priority driver with guaranteed peak hour bonuses. Now I keep my camera rolling on every single delivery, and I've helped 3 other drivers fight false complaints using the same strategy. Marcus's house went up for sale 2 weeks later.